Revolvers are timeless classics in the world of firearms, celebrated for their simplicity and reliability. These handguns use a rotating cylinder to hold and fire ammunition, making them a favorite for self-defense, concealed carry, and sport shooting. With a reputation for durability and ease of use, revolvers have an enduring appeal among firearm enthusiasts and continue to be a symbol of American Wild West lore. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 5. Ruger Custom Shop Super Geep 100. A precision-crafted revolver that redefines the capabilities of modern wheelguns. Chambered in .357 Magnum, this revolver represents the pinnacle of Ruger's craftsmanship and performance. With its stainless steel frame and cylinder, the Super Geep 100 offers durability and reduced recoil, while the hardwood grip provides a comfortable and secure hold. The cold hammer-forged barrel and polished trigger ensure exceptional accuracy and crisp pulls. Its adjustable rear sight and fiber-optic front sight enhance target acquisition. With an 8-round capacity, it offers ample firepower for a variety of shooting applications. Whether you're a competitive shooter, a revolver enthusiast, or simply appreciate the art of fine firearms, the Ruger Custom Shop Super Geep 100 stands as a symbol of precision and excellence, setting a new standard for custom revolvers in the world of firearms. Number 4. Smith & Wesson Performance Center 500s and Magnum. A true powerhouse revolver that pushes the boundaries of handgun performance. Chambered in one of the most potent handgun cartridges, the Performance Center 500 offers unparalleled stopping power suitable for hunting large and dangerous game. Crafted with precision by the Performance Center, it features a stainless steel frame and cylinder for enhanced durability and reduced recoil. The Performance Center's meticulous attention to detail ensures exceptional fit and finish. The revolver boasts an adjustable muzzle brake to manage recoil, a Picatinny rail for optics, and a crisp single-action trigger for precision shots. Whether you're a big game hunter, a handgun enthusiast, or simply seek the ultimate in raw power, the Smith & Wesson Performance Center 500s and Magnum stands as a symbol of pure potency and innovation, setting a new standard for high-performance revolvers in the world of firearms. Number 3. Charter Arms Pitbull. A unique and innovative revolver designed to simplify the use of rimless cartridges. Available in various calibers like 9mm, 40s, and .45 ACP, the Pitbull eliminates the need for moon clips typically required for rimless rounds. This makes reloading quicker and more straightforward. The Pitbull's stainless steel construction ensures durability and longevity, while the ergonomic rubber grips provide a comfortable hold. With its 5-round capacity, it offers a compact and reliable option for concealed carry and personal defense. Whether you're a revolver enthusiast or someone looking for a practical and user-friendly firearm for self-defense, the Charter Arms Pitbull stands as a symbol of innovation and convenience, setting a new standard for revolvers in the world of firearms. Number 2. Korth Carry Special. A masterful blend of artistry and engineering, meticulously crafted for those who demand nothing but the best in a concealed carry revolver. Designed and handcrafted in Germany, the Carry Special represents the pinnacle of revolver design and precision. Chambered in .357 Magnum, this masterpiece offers unparalleled accuracy, reliability, and smooth operation. Its stainless steel frame and barrel provide durability and reduced recoil, while the hand-fitted wooden grip ensures both beauty and control. The Carry Special's trigger, meticulously tuned for perfection, delivers an exquisite shooting experience. With a 6-round capacity, it provides dependable firepower for personal defense. Whether you're a collector, a discerning marksman, or someone who values the finest in firearms, the Korth Carry Special stands as a symbol of elegance and excellence, setting a new standard for concealed carry revolvers in the world of firearms. Number 1. Chiappa Rhino 20s. A revolutionary and unconventional revolver that challenges traditional firearm design. Chambered in .357 Magnum, the Rhino 20s offers a unique appearance and innovative features. Its distinctive design places the barrel lower in the frame, resulting in reduced recoil and improved muzzle control, making it ideal for rapid follow-up shots. The 20's variant features a 2-inch barrel, enhancing its maneuverability for concealed carry or home defense. The ergonomic rubber grip ensures a comfortable and secure hold. With a 6-round capacity, it provides reliability and versatility in a compact package. Whether you're an enthusiast of unconventional firearms or simply seek a dependable and distinctive revolver, the Chiappa Rhino 20 stands as a symbol of innovation and adaptability, setting a new standard for revolvers in the world of firearms.